Hello, e-learners. Okay, just wanted to talk about the three parts of landscapes. When we draw landscapes, we want to show that some things are close to us and some things are far away. Foreground is the area closest to us. You can think of forward. Middle ground is the area in the middle of the paper. That's pretty obvious. Just remember the middle. And the background's the area that's in the back of the picture. So again, think foreground, forward, middle ground in the middle, background in the back. When we're talking about the distance into the picture, we call that depth. And then when we're making it, we want to make the things closest to us bigger, and the things that are farther away smaller, and they'll have less detail. And you can think of that when you see a friend down the street. You don't know for sure it's them until they start to get a little bit closer and you can see a little bit more details in their face and clothing. And now if we look at this diagram of the parts of a picture, we can start with the horizon line. The horizon line is the imaginary line where the sky and the ground meet. If you go to the beach, you can see that fairly easily. You can see where the water and the sky meet, and things go way out into the distance. They sort of disappear and become part of that line. The three parts are the background, the middle ground, and the foreground. They get smaller as they go away until we get to that point where everything kind of melds together and becomes part of that line. Okay, that's it for this week. The answer to the question is going to be shape. All right, see you guys next week.